everybody. Boy, you play, you gon' die in front of everybody. Leave some blood on the street by some red bottoms. How the hell, but
What's good, YouTube, man? I'm back with another video for y'all, man. Today, I'm gonna be doing an oil change on my bike. I haven't brought my bike to the channel yet, but I am gonna be showing y'all. Got a 2021 KX Big 450. Yeah. No kit. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing an oil change on it. Showing y'all anybody that got a 2020, 2021, whatever, KX 450. You feel me? You're gonna need your tools, oil. I run full synthetic 10W40. Need a filter. I got the O-ring. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all. This is where the oil filter. It's the oil filter cap. Take these two bolts out, and this is where you put the oil at. And then for your drain bolt, you're gonna come under here. Let me make sure y'all can see it. It's this one right here. So this bolt right here. This is the only part about this. Don't drop the bolt or the washer in the bucket. It's the hardest part. I'll tell y'all. A short one and a long one. Don't mix those up. Well, they won't go back in, obviously, so you have to. Oh, that's what sucks. I ain't even gonna cut it. Y'all can see it now. I gotta go. Oh. This is crazy. This is really crazy. put these too tight, but you want to make sure they're tight enough. We'll tell you that. Yeah, make sure to lean your bike to both sides so you can get all the oil out. That's what I was just about to do. I was just about to put the drain plug back in. And I realized I didn't lean the bike over to get all the oil out. Still oil drain. You want to make sure to get all the oil out whenever you do an oil change. Make sure you tighten this one good, so you never want your drain plug to fall out when you ride. But don't put it too tight to where you break so you can't get it off. Excuse my funnel, though. I had to make my own funnel, so don't judge me or laugh. I don't know how this is gonna work, but try to make it. Struggle.